Hello students, now today in this session we will discuss about pressure. Students, first of all we will start from definition of pressure. Pressure is defined as the force acting normally per unit area of surface. मतलब ये अगर हम एक सरफेस की बात करें उसके ऊपर कितना फोर्स नॉर्मली एक्ट होता है ये प्रेशर बताता है. ओके, नाउ from this definition we have pressure equals force per area. Okay, now the force acting normally is called thrust. This is thrust. The force acting normally on a surface is called thrust. So we have another definition of pressure. Thrust per unit area is defined as pressure. So definition of pressure is thrust per unit area is called pressure. Now units of pressure. Student, in SI system unit of force will be Newton. Okay, and unit of area will be square meter. So unit of pressure in SI system will be Newton per square meter. Newton per square meter. This unit is named Pascal after the name of the scientist, French scientist Blaise Pascal. So we have 1 Pascal equals 1 Newton per square meter. Okay, 1 Pascal equals 1 Newton per square meter. Now what is definition of 1 Pascal? अगर हम बात करें एक सरफेस एरिया की बात करें, अगर 1 स्क्वायर मीटर का एक सरफेस लेते हैं उसके ऊपर अगर 1 न्यूटन का फोर्स नॉर्मली एक्ट कराया जाए तो इस कंडीशन में जो प्रेशर एग्जर्ट होगा उस बॉडी में वो होगा 1 पास्कल का. 1 पास्कल इज द प्रेशर एग्जर्टेड ऑन अ सरफेस ऑफ एरिया 1 स्क्वायर मीटर बाय अ फोर्स ऑफ 1 न्यूटन acting normally on it. Okay, now what is CGS unit of pressure? Student, in CGS system unit of pressure is dyne per square centimeter, because in CGS system unit of force will be dyne and unit of area will be square centimeter. So unit of pressure in CGS system is dyne per square centimeter. Now other units of pressure are bar and millibar. Okay, पास्कल और डाइन पर स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर के बाद बार और मिलीबार दो और ऐसे यूनिट्स हैं प्रेशर के. नाउ 1 bar equal 10 to the power 5 Newton per square meter. Okay, and 1 millibar equal of course 10 to the power minus 3 bar and 10 to the power minus 3 bar and 1 bar equals 10 to the power 5 Pascal. So we have 10 to the power 2 means 100 Newton per square meter. 1 millibar equals 10 to the power 2 Newton per square meter or 100 Newton per square meter, and 1 bar equals 10 to the power 5 Newton per square meter. Now student, pressure is a scalar quantity. Okay, pressure is a scalar quantity. Now pressure affecting factors affecting the pressure. Student, the pressure exerted on a surface depends on 2 factors. First, the area on which the thrust is applied. Pressure depends on area. Okay, on which the thrust is applied, and second, pressure depends on thrust. So thrust and area can affect the pressure. Okay, thank you.